Some big news coming in from West Bengal. TMC now closes doors for ex-minister and rebel party leader Suvendu Adhikari, the transport minister who resigned from the state cabinet. Now the TMC says he's a closed chapter. The doors are shut for him. TMC MP Saugata Roy says Suvendu is a closed chapter and says that the TMC has enough loyalists to fight and win the upcoming assembly polls. Let's take a listen.
I've read Suvendu's WhatsApp in this matter. It's unfortunate. But we shall not discuss Suvendu at all. If some people in the party have expressed their dissent, their number is minuscule. We have total 218 MLAs in the assembly. One has quit recently and few more, handful, have voiced some dissent. We are trying to talk to everybody who have voiced dissent. We did it in the case of Suvendu also.
Any more efforts to bring Suvendu back in the party?
Suvendu is a closed chapter. No effort.
That's a decision made.
That's the party's position.
Manogia joining us live for more details on that. Manogia, the TMC there going on the offensive, saying it Suvendu Adhikari is a closed chapter. There's no need to talk about him anymore. There are enough loyalists within the TMC to fight and win this election. Take us through what more he really highlighted.
Well, Saugata Roy, TMC MP, and who had been coordinating almost everything on the front with the party as well as Suvendu, has finally said and confirmed that the party has closed the chapter of Suvendu Adhikari. This comes at a time when there have been so much of dissent and differences between him as well as the party leadership. There had been questions also being raised on what would be the next plan of action. But now the TMC says that there would be no more efforts made by the party in any case for bringing him or ensuring that he continues to be in the party. Remember, he hasn't confirmed, but there have been plans and adequately visible enough that he would be soon joining BJP. Amidst all this, since there have been differences and the distancing between the leadership and him in the party has been so big that finally Suvendu seems to be a closed chapter. One of the first official statement coming in from Trinamool Congress, where they've confirmed that they would not discuss him anymore. There would be no interactions with Suvendu in days to come, and that the chapter remains closed for now and forever.
Right, Manogia, thank you very much for joining us with those details there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.